This is the fourth week. I'm still in the fourth week and of this build here. So I just want to show you guys what I have so far, like in total here for the fourth week. So I made an Etsy shop here, and I posted my first listing. These are all made from the 24-week plan that Claude produced when I asked it to come up with a plan or a business plan that I can follow and then will not fall off, like what I've done with all my other endeavors, which pretty much failed. So this is the listing here from you can see all these are how I made these in the previous videos. So this what it is here, the bedtime story. This is the bedtime story here. So from here, this Etsy, we're selling a PDF file that will be supplemented with the bedtime story. This is all up and running. So for those that haven't seen this machine here, I will go ahead and make a story. Just choose any of this drop down here, or you can type in your own. Kid can type in your own um, story or characters or sidekick. So I'll just let it write the story. So once the parent buy this, they can access this here. And if the parent want to download this for their what is it, a PDF file of this here, they have to put in their email address. So let's go 17@gmail.com, get the printable. So this is what they will receive here. Just print and save. And most recently, I signed up for this mailer here, which is whenever the parent um, sign up for it, they will be sign up for this. As you can see now, there's 3 total active subscriber, and it will be sending a email to the parents, basically a welcome, which is this here. So it worked, and which is basically a welcome email. And after, this is just a mock one, I made it 2 days ago, and this is what the second day they will send out this email here, and this will go on until the third email is sent from here. So all these, I have no idea what this mailer light was. I just had Claude. I work with Claude, and to ask it how to set it up and the actual email itself um, here. Okay, that's about it. If you have any questions, let me know. All right, guys, bye.